Welcome to Hive of Life. Hello friends, I am PB, your trusted guide in securing a worry-free future. Today, I am buzzing with excitement to introduce the Access Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus, a term insurance plan that's not just smart, but wiser. Why choose Smart Term Plan Plus? This plan isn't just about protection, it's designed to adapt to your changing life needs. Here's why it stands out. Whole life cover. Get lifelong protection up to age 100. Income protection. Convert your life cover into a steady income for your family. Smart cover. Extra payout during critical years for added financial security. Early return of premium, ROP, plus. Get your premiums back early and still stay covered. Rebalancing cover. Adjusts your life cover as per your growing needs. Regular cover. Affordable protection for life's uncertainties. Return of premium. Get back your premiums while enjoying life cover. This plan offers first in the industry benefits, including premium holiday feature. Defer premium payments for up to 12 months if needed, without losing coverage. Top-up cover for women. If a female policyholder's spouse passes away, she can increase her cover without medical underwriting. Special exit value, SEV. Exit after 30 years and get 200% of premiums back, at no extra cost. Let's look at some real-life examples. Amit is a 30-years-old entrepreneur. He chooses early ROP plus variant, with 2 crore rupees sum assured. He pays 73,242 rupees annually for 15 years and at the age of 60, he gets 5.49 lakh rupees back, which is 50% of total premiums paid, which will also reduce cover to 1 crore rupees. At the age of 75, he gets another 5.49 lakh rupees back, completing the return of premium. Naman, who is a 30-year-old IT engineer, opts for whole life cover of 2 crore rupees up to age 100. He pays 1,25,918 rupees annually for 12 years and at the age of 60, receives 7.55 lakh rupees as part of return of premium. Sum assured reduces 50%, which makes it 1 crore rupees. At the age of 100, he receives another 7.55 lakh rupees, ensuring lifetime protection. Sahil, who is a 35-years-old accounts manager, selects income protection cover, with 1 lakh rupees as an increasing monthly income. He pays 88,678 rupees annually, for 10 years and ensures his family gets inflation-proof income in his absence. Health and additional benefits. With Smart Term Plan Plus, you get free terminal illness cover with 1 crore rupees accelerated payout. Nominee payout options. Choose between lump sum, monthly income, or a mix of both. Maternity cover for women for additional security. Why wait? Secure your future today. With Smart Term Plan Plus, you're not just buying a term plan, you are ensuring financial security, flexibility, and peace of mind. Your future deserves nothing less. To learn more about Smart Term Plan Plus, contact PB Partners today and take the first step towards smart financial protection.